Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring payments on Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to have frequent payments or recurring payments in Shopify, you will need to enable subscriptions. And basically, if you go to your settings admin panel, you won't find anything concerning any subscriptions from here. So basically, all we need to do is to use the subscription app from Shopify. To do so, we will need just to search for the sales channels or the apps, and we need to integrate subscriptions. So I'm just going to the Shopify App Store. From here, we clicking on this black button, and it will take us to the App Store, and we search for subscription. So subscription, and then we will find the subscription app from Shopify. So from here, make sure that you are using Shopify subscription. And as you can see, it has the logo of loop or recursion. And basically, we click on install. And after that, we will need just to wait for the app to be installed. And we will start using the application. So now we need just to start creating a plan. So we need just to create a first subscription plan, and you will import any things, and from here you can start setting up your subscription plan. So I'm just going to create a plan. You can name it whatever you like, and you can offer a discount or anything, and here will be the delivery interval. Would it be by month or by week or by year, and which is the frequency, and basically the delivery frequency that you would like, etc. So I'm just going to click on save, and let's see if we missed anything. So let's just make it, for example, like this. And now we have our subscription plan created, and now you can add it to your products. So as you can see, we need to include some products to it. And basically, I have some testing products. We can give it to this one. And now we add subscription to this product. And now we have some recurring payments added to these products. So as you can see, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.